Hello happy souls, this is about Suzuki Max 100 or revamp, and these are all the chapters which are categorized for you, and this video is exclusively about chapter 11 unboxing. In that we are in part 13 unboxing this Sprocket assembly, and this is a Sprocket assembly, and the brand is Roll On. It is a Coimbatore and Mysore based company. It is suitable for Samurai Max 100 and Max 100, or it is common for everything. And the price is rupees 807. I bought this in Chennai, India 2022. These are all the maintenance tips, for each and every 500 kilometers you have to adjust the slag length, and you have to maintain clean the chain with their lubricant, and it is advised not to steam the chain, and not to use thinner or other petrochemical products for cleaning. And the brand, the manufacturing plant is in Mysore, Karnataka. The registered offices in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. The plant is in different area, the registered office is in different area. And this is the kit which comes with the chain, the front sprocket and the rear sprocket. The front one is vacuum grease. It is mentioned as vacuum greased, and after using I can say the review. As of now, this is a condition. like uh, this is a golden plating. It is mentioned in the cover, I think so. And this is the rear sprocket. I haven't used this brand before, and after using I may give a review. And in this one, the clip is the most important thing, and the direction is also most important. It is also mentioned in the cover. And let's move on to the second thing, that is the damper rubber or the crusher rubber. Like the crusher rubber is also from the Roll-On brand, and the price I bought is rupees 102 in Chennai, India 2022. And this part is common for Suzuki Max 100, Samurai and Apache RTR. TVS hasn't upgraded their design from Suzuki, I think, and it is a good thing. You can still get parts for your bike. And this is the registered office at Coimbatore, and the manufacturing plant is at Karur, because these are all rubber parts, I think. And this is the third one, Spark Minda, a well-known brand. And this is Sprocket bearing, which is an important thing for your bike. And the price is rupees 102. I bought for 102, and the MRP is 215. It may vary, depends upon the region. And I bought this in Chennai in the year 2022. And the bearing number is 62052 RS. RS stands for the sealed type, I think. And this is from Uttarakhand, the manufacturer. And see you in another video. Thank you.